Do you ever feel like as you get older, time goes by faster? Do you ever feel like as you get older, time goes by faster? The perception that time speeds up as we age is a common phenomenon reported, but it's important to note that time doesn't actually speed up. There are some hypotheses behind why that perception is, but it's influenced by a variety of physiological and cognitive factors. Stay tuned to learn more. One possible explanation is that as we get older, we fall into habits and things become more routine, like get up, shower, go to work, come home, eat dinner, have a drink, go to bed. Whereas when we're younger, we're constantly experiencing new things, which makes time feel more expansive. So it seems bigger. It's like the same picture of a dog, but one's taken from far away and the dog looks small, whereas if you take a close-up, it's giant and fills the frame, kinda like time. As we're younger, we have a shorter time, and as we're older, it's a longer time, so it seems more minute. Another factor is cognitive, as we process things significantly faster as we age. We recognize patterns and our processing speed speeds up. But of course, as we age, things start to slow down also. However, our brains will become more efficient at recognizing these patterns and familiar information. It creates a sense of time passing more quickly because we're not consciously processing things like we did when we were younger. Additionally, our perception of time is influenced by the ratio or proportion of the length of time we have been on this earth and what we're currently experiencing. For example, a year may feel longer to a child who has only lived a couple years, whereas a year to an 80-year-old feels like nothing. This is known as the proportional theory of time perception. Overall, the feeling that time speeds up as we age is a common phenomenon, but it's a subjective experience influenced by various psychological and cognitive factors, while time itself remains at a constant pace. Our perception of it changes throughout our life. You've made it this far. I want to say thank you for taking the time to watch my video. And there's another one coming up. And if you would be so kind as to subscribe and make sure to hit that bell icon so you're notified every time I post a new video or go live, and be much appreciated. Live longer, feel better, and add life to your